Okay, today we're going to be unveiling our brand new TAG Heuer Carrera Chronograph stainless steel with the new Heuer 02 movement. First one to hit the store. Absolutely a beautiful timepiece, much coveted, and we anticipate a wonderful reception as we start to receive them in future shipments. Beautiful weight, beautiful construction, extremely durable watch. One of the beautiful features of the new TAG Chronograph also is that the exhibition back features your skeletal rotor, which is a brand new feature this year. And the comfort of the watch I find to be wonderful. It's a great millimeter size at 44 millimeters and really lays nicely on the wrist because of the flexibility of the bracelet.